This video is about working with trail renderer in Unity. Create a circle sprite, make it smaller a bit. After that, add trail renderer component. Look, if you move object like me, behind it a trail draws. You can change size of drawn trail from this section. If you want to change end of trail, double click on end of this line and it will create one new point. Now if you drag the point down a bit and move object a little, thickness of trail decreases at the end. By changing time, you can control duration of the trail, which I put it on half. Now look, the trail vanishes sooner. Min vertex distance option makes the trail turns smoother. As it gets closer to 0, trail turns smoother. If you check this box and if your object collides to another object and its trail gets disappeared, object destroys automatically. If you want to change trail's color from materials section, click on this button. Here shows you all the materials you have. Choose a sprite default. Now for changing color, click on color here. It gives you a gradient which you can choose color limit that you want. I choose red for first and for end I choose white. Now if you move object, first of trail is red and the end of it is white. If you decrease vertex a little, it looks better. Convert your object to prefab and delete it. Here I have an object called creator, which its job is produce and shoot objects. In a script, in update void I write, when I press the space button, run shoot void. In this line instantiate an object and the bottom line shoots that object. Now just give premade prefab to creator to produce it. If you press space now, an object produces and shoots and behind it a trail draws. Let's change the trail color. Click on prefab, then choose color. If mode be blend, color changing happens smoothly, but if it be fixed, color changing happens suddenly. Now look, half of trail is red and half of it is white. If you want to add more colors how many you want, click here and choose color. Now look, trail becomes multiple colors. And if you select blend again, color changing happens smoothly. Now if you want to change some positions of trail, double click on this red line. It gives you a new point. With moving this point up and down, trail size changes. If you change min vertex distance number, a cool thing happens. It's a little too high, so I decrease it. From order layer section,
Look at this.
from order layer,
Somebody come look at this.
from order layer section, you can change trails color layer.
Somebody come and look at this.
Shit. From order layer section, you can change trails layer. Let's work with trail renderer in a script. All you need get trail renderer component dot something like a start color equals to color dot desired color, like green. Now with the start color, first part of trail color changes. Also you can put a color with color code here. Write new color 32, then in parentheses write colors number, for example 10 10 10. Also, you can change trail size by end width and start width method. Press play. Look, it's a little like fish, but it's more like spatula. It works. That is important. To delete colors and set it to default, only drag the color to right or left. And for last color, set it on white. For trail width, only need to click any point and press delete. Instead of thousands, write a random range for shooting objects in different directions. Now press play. Press space continuously. Look at this weapon for example. We want when it moves to left and right, a trail be in its behind. Right click on weapon, create an empty game object and drag it a little higher. Add trail renderer for it, drag down this line's end and decrease its time. Set vertex distance on 0, use sprite default to it and change its color to black. Duplicate this game object twice, drag one of them down and drag another one more down. Press play. Look, Batten's movement is so beautiful now. You can put any other weapon inside of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. Thank you.